And we're back. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I'm so sorry, I know I haven't posted in a while. It's been like, what, a month since I posted my last video. I'm so sorry, I've been really busy, but hopefully, now that summer's here, I can post more regularly. So, let's get started. So, I know that for my YouTube channel, I've been posting about how to make cool stuff, but recently I decided that I would also start doing tutorials, just as part of it. I'll still post those other videos, but as of today, I'm going to also start posting tutorials for things like Audacity or video editor, okay? Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change tempo in Audacity without changing speed. So one thing that a lot of people are wondering about in Audacity is how to change the speed of a clip in Audacity without changing the pitch, making it higher. Because so this is an audio track that I created a few days ago. It's a song. So this is what it sounds like right now. Okay. And if I wanted to change the speed of that, then I would go to change speed, and if I wanted to make it slower, then I would bring it down like that. Then it would make it slow. But as you can see, when you do that, it makes the sound lower too. So what a lot of people are wondering is, how do you change the speed without making the pitch lower? And one way you could do that is by selecting it, pressing effect, but instead of changing speed, you want to go to change tempo. And once you change tempo, you can make it faster or you can make it slower. I'm going to make it just a little bit faster. And let's see. Basically, yeah. So it did not change the pitch at all. It's still the same notes. But it's significantly faster. So there you go. That's how you change speed of a track in Audacity without changing pitch.